Hi, this is Foodie Phil with a smoked cream cheese recipe. One of the more popular simple appetizers is simply a block of cream cheese topped with either sweet, spicy, or savory fruit compote. And this recipe takes that to a whole different level. First, I take a block of cream cheese out of the refrigerator and remove the packaging. Then, using my handheld smoker and cherry wood chips, I load the table smoker and smoke the cream cheese for about 30 minutes. If you go to my foodiephil.com website, locate the recipe for this, you can see an Amazon ad for the smoker. And yeah, I do receive a small commission when I link Amazon items. Now, while this is smoking, start your compote. I got a small bag of organic frozen dark cherries and organic frozen raspberries. To this, I added a little bit of lemon juice, about a half cup of sugar. You can add more if you want it more sweet, or less if you want it less sweet. Then I take a couple of serrano peppers, and you can also use jalapenos, and I diced them up really small. I like spicy, so I've left in all of the seeds. For less heat, remove the seeds. Then you start cooking your compote on a very, very, very low heat. And as it starts to thicken, keep tasting and add in maybe a little tiny touch of sea salt and either some cayenne or chili powder if you want to up the heat level. Pour it over the cream cheese, add some crackers to the serving dish, and enjoy. This is Foodie Phil. Please like this video and follow me for more food ideas. Thank you.